Hey. Oh, look at this one. Like, no, I missed somebody. Hey, Amanda, right? Yeah. Awesome. This is my cat, Aurora. Aurora, nice to meet you. Yay. I know. We put the house coat. Pretty day. Yeah. You too. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to my kitchen. I just want to help the everyday person who doesn't have $800 equipment eat more healthy. So this is just a little glimpse in my morning and what I do, why I do it, and I hope that it's a blessing. And another quick healthy morning habit is eating fruit. A lot of people don't know this, but your body absorbs the nutrients of fruit better on an empty stomach, just because your body already processes fruit pretty quickly. So I usually have my fruit first thing in the morning. And here are my oats, my dried figs, my dates, and my frozen banana, with my organic blueberries there and my organic maple syrup that I will top it with later. I cook my oats with usually half water and half almond milk. In this case, I had an abundance of almond milk, so I just use it all the way. But generally, I will put about that much water in my oats, and then I'll top the rest of it with the almond milk like I demonstrated there. And I do double liquid for however much oats that I have in my bowl. Chopped up my frozen banana and put in my dates. And I pop that in the microwave and cook it on high for about 3 minutes just to get everything kind of warmed up and ready to go. The frozen bananas is going to increase the cooking time because they have to melt. So while I waited on that, I went ahead and fixed my cat a healthy breakfast. I use the Wellness brand wet food. It's grain-free. And then I also topped it with this Vita Boost that I got off the Grove Collaboratives. It's like a superfood multivitamin for your pet. It's kind of like an herb topping that I can add to her food. And she really enjoys it. Okay, so after I didn't film this part, but I put some cinnamon and the figs in the oatmeal and then popped it back in the microwave for about 4 minutes. And then I used this whisk here to kind of smash the dates and the bananas into the oats. And once again, showing the toppings that I'm going to use: the blueberries, the sunflower seeds, and the organic maple syrup. So this is the final product, you guys. I did top it with some organic chia seeds and some hemp hearts. I try to add that to my oats. I love it. And of course, my other toppings. I generally put chia seeds and hemp hearts in my smoothies or my oats. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It was very delicious. Good way to start off your morning. It's like the Garden of Eden in your bowl. Who knew? Oh my God. She's so cute. Who knew that eating healthy could be so good? Almond milk, y'all. It changes lives.
You know how those cooking shows do. You know? Let's go. The blueberries are just